What's up YouTube? Today I'll be installing a PELSEE dashcam in my 2015 Subaru WRX CVT. This dashcam has a 4K resolution and 1080 in the rear. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So here we got the dashcam rear view mirror, we got the GPS, we got the strap to strap the mirror onto our original rear view mirror. Here we got the reverse camera, and last but not least, the power wire. So right, let's get it. Let's begin our installation. Here I'm gonna be doing my due diligence by organizing these wires, so that when I finish the installation, I'm just finished. As you can see, wires nice and clean, mirror is snug. Now I'm gonna continue to route my wires. First I'm gonna route the GPS wire and the electric power wire down the right side of the car. I'm gonna be installing my GPS wire under the glove compartment, and I'm gonna run the power wire through the glove compartment, through the center console, up through the center console, and there I will have another power port I can put it in. Yes guys, as you can see, we run it through here, and there we get a much cleaner look rather than if it was up front here. So yeah, it got a little bit of bulging, but if you want, you can like just cut a little notch, you know what I mean, just cut a little notch on the bottom side here, and it just fit right in the groove. I'm gonna leave it just like it is. I mean, I'm comfortable with the look. The little space that it caused here, it won't show, to be honest, because this will be closed up. Yeah, and it closed perfectly. You know what I mean? So it's good. Yep. So we got the rear recording camera to finish. So we're gonna just finish up that, and then we test the thing and see how it works. And the airbag is right here. This is an airbag, right? So you gotta be careful too. Close this up. This is nice and snug again. Then I can continue to possibly get a better. You know, continue to clean as we go. some clips are here on the side. I'm just gonna put it inside it. These clips come by default, I don't know, or whatever they'll be. It's by default, so I'm just gonna use it. It's like it was made for it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna just route it through here. To rotate. So I release my license plate light. I'm gonna route the camera wire through here, through one side right here, and then I'm gonna possibly mount it right here. The video camera right there, yes. Here I just put the two-sided tape that come in the back, screw off the mounting that comes on the camera, and I'm just gonna use the two-sided tape. That's what works for me. I just feel like doing it this way. It gives me a clean look without having to drill any holes or turn any screwdrivers. This red wire here, I'm gonna connect it to the reverse power wire, the reverse light power wire. So yeah guys, I gone ahead and do a little bit of, did my due diligence with the wiring, you know, tape them up and so forth. So now I'm gonna find the reverse power wire. I'm gonna find the reverse light power wire, and then I'm gonna connect this red one to it. Right. I believe it's this one right here. Should be this one. Remove this plastic thing, and I just put the wire right in there. As you can see, should be alright. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Let's put it on the screen. I'm gonna plug it in. Oh wow, oh yes, that's one plug. Let's peel this plastic off. There you have it. We have installed a PELSEE mirror dash cam in 2015 WRX, and I guess it works for all WRXs and similar for other cars. You know, any other cars, I guess the process is the same. Very clean. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope you like, share, subscribe. Help me to grow my channel. You know, thank you. Until next time. Peace out.